that's pretty smoky, Derek.
Well, my hat's done worn out, my boots are
Hey,
bad.
hey,
ain't got a gun,
Brandy,
but
Brandy.
I wish I had, and
Let it go, let it go. Let it go.
One horse town.
Brandy, here.
My gal
Lacey,
done left
Lacey.
me the other day.
There. Shoot it,
Said
shoot
I
it, shoot
didn't
it.
bring home enough of that pay, and I'm down in a one horse.
Nice shot, man.
No.
But I'm doing fine.
There's Lacey's got your bird.
Okay.
Hey, Lacey.
I think I might get by just one more day.
Lacey, whoa, whoa. Brandy, leave it, leave it. Oh, gosh, dang it. Ah, nice shot. Woo. Maybe you should turn it off if those birds are holding too tight. You guys better get over there a little bit. Lacey will reposition.
Well, when you get loaded down, you got nothing to lose.
Holy smokes!
All you can do is start singing the blues when you're down
Get it.
in a one horse
Nice
town.
shot.
I drank on Tuesday until I fell down. I woke up on Wednesday and you weren't around, and I'm down in a one horse town. But I'm doing fine, I'm doing okay. I think I might get by just one more day. Well, oh, what a feeling that burns down low when you ain't got nowhere to turn or nowhere to go. It makes me feel like sometimes I'm out of control. So I'm gonna get wasted with all my country heroes. I'm drinking some George Jones and a little bit of coke. Haggard's easing my misery, and Waylon's keeping me from home. Hank's giving me those high tides, Cash is gonna sing it low, and I'm here getting wasted just like my country hero. Yeah, I'm drinking that whiskey out of that glass. And if that ain't country, well, boys, you can kiss my ass. 'Cause I wanna hear them old songs, nothing of the new. 'Cause this might be the last time I'm gonna see you. So I'm drinking some George Jones and a little bit of coke. Haggard's easing my misery.
Hey, you don't even have to gut that one.